Assalamu alaikum and very good morning dear students. Today we are starting our third video lesson, which is last of this chapter. Chapter is the number system, and today's topics are round off to nearest 10, 100 and 1000, and the second topic is number sequence and patterns. Dear students, please open your mathematics books, Smart Mathematics textbook 5. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to round up the numbers to nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Complete the number sequence and patterns. Round off and estimation and approximation are almost same things, but in estimation and approximation we just estimate or approximate randomly, but round off we do with some specific rules. We did round off to nearest 10 and 100 in our previous classes, but I want to reinforce round off to nearest 10. When we round off numbers to the nearest 10, we will see the digit at ones place. If it is smaller than 5, then round down. If it is greater or equals to 5, then round up by adding 1 to the tens digit. For example, round off the following numbers to nearest 10. Now we will see here this number is 273, and at ones place it is 3, which is less than 5, so we will go round down. It means lesser than 3, which will be 0 over here, so it is 270. The round off of 273 is 270, and just look at the next number, it is 4335. At ones place it is 5, so it means we have to go round up, so it will move forward. So 35 will be 40 here because 5 is here, so we will add 1 in the digit 3, which is at tens place. So it is 4340. And now 578. Now look at the digit which is at ones place. This is 8, which is bigger than 5. So we will go round up, and this 7 will be 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. So it will be 580. It is necessary that there must be a 0 at the place value of ones in round off to nearest 10. Now round off to nearest 100. The rules are same, but the difference is the place value. When we round off numbers to the nearest 100, we will see the digit at tens place. If it is smaller than 5, then round down. If it is greater or equals to 5, then round up by adding 1 to the hundreds digit. Now just look at the examples. Round off the following numbers to nearest 100. The numbers are 4632. Now we will see the digit at tens place, and this is 3, which is less than 5, so we will go round down and we will not add anything here, so 4600. The round off of to nearest 100 is 4600. Now look at second number. This is 2654. Now at tens place this is 5, it means it will go round up, so we will add 1 in the digit which is at hundreds place, which is 6, so we will add 1 in it, so it will be 7, so it will 2700. Now 8572. Now we will look at the digit at place value of tens. This is 7, which is more than 5, so now the 5 will go round up and we will add 1 in it, so it will be 6. So the round off number is 8600. Now you can notice it is necessary that there must be zeros at the place value of ones and tens in round off to nearest 100. So nearest 100, so 2 zeros are must over here. Now the new thing for you, it is round off to nearest 1000. But the rules are same as we did round off to nearest 10 and round off to nearest 100. When we round off numbers to the nearest 1000, we will see the digit at hundreds place. If it is smaller than 5, then round down. If it is greater or equals to 5, then round up by adding 1 to the digit at 1000 place value. Now for example, round off the following numbers to nearest 1000. Now the numbers are 27,324 because we are rounding off this to nearest 1000. So we will look at the digit at hundreds place value, which is 3 over here. So 3 is less than 5, so we will go round down. So the 7 will remain same. So the number is 27,000. The rounded off number of 27,324 is 27,000. Now next number is 42,564. 5 is at the place value of hundreds. So it will go round up. So 1 will be added in 2. So it will be 43. So the answer is 43,000. And now the next one is 68,742. We will look at 7, which is more than 5. So again it will go round up, and 1 will be added in 8. So it will be 9. So 69,000 is the answer. It is necessary that there must be zeros at the place value of ones, tens and hundreds in round off to nearest 1000. I hope you enjoyed this part. Now the next topic is number sequence and patterns. A number sequence is a set of numbers following a pattern or a series of numbers with the same interval. By finding the rule of sequence or pattern, we can write next numbers of the sequence or draw next shape of pattern. Okay, you did this in previous classes, and I hope you know the basic concept. But today we will do some extra things in it, some extra concepts. Like in previous classes we just did addition, but now today we will do subtraction, multiplication, maybe division, maybe some mixed sums. So you can see this. Now the first one is the sequence given 854, 859, 864, 869. Yes, obviously all of you must know it. Yes, the rule is +5. So the answer will be, the blanks will be filled by 874 and 879. Now here the next sequence is 6,454, 6,354, 6,254. Yes, it is going backward or down, or becoming decreasing. So the rule is -100, and the missing numbers are 6,154 and 6,054. Yes, very good. Now few more examples. Now the numbers are given. The number sequence is 6, 4, 7, 5, 8, 6, 9, 7. Oh yes, you are surprised there is no sequence. No, but there is sequence. Now see this. 6 and 4 -2, 4 and 7 +3, 7 and 5 -2, 5 and 8 +3, 8 and 6 -2, 6 and 9 +3, 9 and 7 -2, then 7 and 10, 10 will come here, 7 + 3 is 10, then 10 - 2 is 8. So what is the rule? -2 + 3, -2 + 3. Yes, it is mixed sums, okay, or compound operations. Okay, we did minus here and plus here, so sometimes the sequence could be like this. Yes, you are enjoying it, I hope. So the missing numbers are 10 and 8, because 7 + 3 is 10, and then 10 - 2 is 8. Okay, now here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. What will come next? Yes, it is multiplication. Yes, exactly, you know it. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 2 multiplied by 2 4, 4 by 2 8, and 8 multiplied by 2 16, and 16 multiplied by 2 32, and 32 multiplied by 2 is 64, and 64 multiplied by 2 is 128. Yes, exactly. So the missing numbers are 64 and 128. Now here is one pattern. It is given in page number 17 of your textbook. Okay, Now you can see here in first pattern 1 square and 4 circles. In second pattern 2 squares and 6 circles, and then 3 squares and 8 circles. So what is the difference in squares? Yes, 1, then plus 1 is 2, then plus 1 is 3. But what about circles? The squares are 1, 2 and 3. So in next pattern it will be 4 and then 5 and then 6 onwards. But what about circles? These are 4 circles, these are 6 and then 8. It means it is plus 2. For circle it is plus 2. So rule is plus 1 for square and plus 2 for circle. So in next pattern 10 circles will come. 4 squares and 10 circles. Yes, very good. You can write answer of these questions when you will do exercise in the book. Now, what we learned today? Yes, we did round off the numbers to nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000, and we find rule to complete the number sequence and patterns. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and you learned a lot, and you can easily implement your learning in your written assignments. Your written assignments are task number 1, build up exercise 1 to 6, page 14 of Smart Mathematics textbook 5. Task 2, brush up exercise 1 and 2, page 15 of Smart Mathematics textbook 5. And task 3 is build up exercise 1 to 4, page 16 and 17 of Smart Mathematics textbook 5. And task number 4 is brush up exercise 1 to 4, page 17 of Smart Mathematics textbook 5. And your home assignments are worksheets 6, 7 and 8, page 6 to 9 of Smart Mathematics workbook 5. Again I am repeating that your task you will do just after lesson, but your home assignments you can do any time but before next lesson. Good luck, Allah Hafiz, and keep practicing.